Scotland is a visual feast for nature lovers, boasting an extraordinary variety of landscapes, from the rugged peaks of the Highlands to the rolling hills of the Lowlands. Our story begins in Dumfries and Galloway, a vibrant, creative region with a rich history and outstanding natural beauty. Our diverse landscapes create a unique backdrop, shaping the region's identity. But we have identified over 300,000 square metres of land in need of a biodiversity boost. Scraps of land with low biodiversity value, but so much potential to become thriving habitats in our communities. This is land that could be enhanced to allow nature to thrive and benefit communities, but without funding will not achieve its full biodiversity potential and communities will continue to miss out. We believe these small scraps have the potential to help pollinators thrive, acting as stepping stones to larger habitat projects in the region. We can help solve the nature crisis in Scotland and provide many benefits for communities at the same time. We're working to help nature flourish for the benefit of the community, to bring people closer to nature and to experience the ecosystem benefits nature gives us. And we need people like you to help.